Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Pro Features error when exporting your video on Capcut. Firstly, try changing Capcut export settings. Tap the export icon in Capcut and choose lower export settings. Resolution change from 4K to 1080p or 720p. Frame rate change it from 60 fps to 30 or 25, and bitrate reduce it if available. Then tap export and wait for the process to complete. Secondly, try clearing Capcut cache. Save and close your project and click the settings icon. Go to settings, cache size, then click the trash or delete icon beside it and confirm. Also, freeing up device storage could help prevent the export issue. Don't multitask and restart your device before exporting. Also, keep Capcut updated to the latest version. And that's it guys, as simple as that.